Welcome to TPI, the global leader in test products. The product we are highlighting today is the TPI Model 575C1 Vane and Hotwire velocity meter. The 575C1 combines two instruments in one. This high-quality instrument offers the technician the ability to take a variety of measurements by interchanging a vane and Hotwire anemometer. The TPI 575C1 not only measures air velocity but temperatures as well. The Hotwire and vane probes both have a 39-inch cable. The Hotwire also telescopes, so a true duct in velocity and temperature can be obtained. And as with all TPI products, you can ensure that you're receiving a quality product at a great price with the added security of a 3-year warranty and a lifetime of support. So go ahead and test the TPI Advantage now.